This next trick or trick element is called the split bottom mount, and it's similar to the bottom mount that we've done before that looks like so, except instead of only landing it or mounting it over your freehand index finger, you throw the yo-yo down, you let the yo-yo string wrap over your freehand index finger, and as the yo-yo is swinging down, allow it to come back towards your throw hand index finger, and basically the swinging motion of your throw is going to allow it to swing up and over your throw hand index finger. To make this easier for you to land, try and make it so all of your other fingers on your throw hand are curled out of the way and only your index finger is pointing out. It'll make it easier for the yo-yo to swing right up and over. It's not like trying to get in the way of the string hanging down from your free hand. And if your other fingers are in the way, it can kind of mess you up if you're trying to do more complex tricks. So, throw a sleeper. You take your free hand index finger, putting it into the string, like before I've shown you with the elevator and other tricks. And you take your throw hand index finger, point it out, put all your fingers curled up back out of the way. And here you can swing the yo out in front of you, back towards your throw hand index finger. And basically just by lifting up with your free hand index finger, you can help the yo-yo swing up over your throw hand index finger. To dismount, just lift up with your free hand. It'll help the yo-yo unwrap. Take your free hand away, tug, and catch the yo-yo. So, that was the split bottom mount. I'll see you guys in the next video.